diploma in the College of Law. Happiness Vuyokazi Nciweni.
Molweni namkelekile nonke guys, Chisa Bay Entertainment guys, kudala nindikhwaza, and I have been saying I will officially do an update again graduation kaVuyokazi. It's not that ndizenzisile, but I was so occupied namhlanje. I'm really sorry, but ke ku Facebook, because it's something that is like one as easy as ABC, ndiye ndakwazi ke ukuba update abantu bakaVuyokazi, ifans zikaVuyokazi. I don't think it's important also for me to be repeating as Nani Nisvele with first video which I inserted for you guys to see. She obtained a diploma in corrections management. Nizokhumbula ke kusadlala ke izingane zesithembu, she did say that she is studying policing. Abantu abaninzi ke bayabuza into ba, what is a diploma in law? What does that mean? Because most people know that LLB, if you're studying towards LLB, you're probably going to be attorney, okanye lawyer, okanye advocate, okanye umshushisi, all these different things, okay? So when a person studies or had studied for a diploma in corrections management, then ke umhlawumbi angaba corrections officer, angaba case manager, angaba parole or probation officer, or even uyakwazi ke umntu onale diploma kaVuyokazi into ba asebenze as a correctional treatment specialist. Naye ke uVuyokazi, I think kwi-lives zakhe wake watsho into ba lento guys endiyifundelayo, I will be able to be employed in e-government. Was cholo yena ke, but ke uGoogle is adding on that she can also work at a private correctional facility or kokanye kwi community rehabilitation center. So yeah guys, nanzo ke my little background research and yenzileyo about diploma ke kaVuyokazi. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. A huge massive congratulations. This is on a bonus shortly. Bye guys.